Welcome back to the Rebel Ren Series Season 2. It's a pleasure to have you join us once again as we delve into the ever-evolving world of technology, exploration, and discovery. Today, we're shifting gears and zooming in on a different kind of adventure, a hands-on journey through tech. I recently embarked on a mission to service the Asus FX505GM, the Asus TUF Gaming, a machine that has been a trusty companion on various expeditions. The process involved replacing thermal paste and thermal pads, a task that can have remarkable impact on a laptop's performance. The full video detailing this servicing endeavor is available on my YouTube channel. It is not just about fixing hardware, it is about understanding the intricacies of technology and optimizing its potential. Speaking of expeditions, I want to take a moment to reminisce about a thrilling adventure in Pagar Alams of Sumatra. It was a few months ago when we embarked on a captivating journey to review the Asus TUF Gaming FX505GM against the backdrop of this picturesque location. And now I find myself in the vibrant city of Bandung, Indonesia. As always, your support for my channel and podcast means the world to me. Your patience during my hiatus while preparing Season 2 is greatly appreciated. Over the past months, I've been deep diving into the realm of artificial intelligence, an expedition that's both exhilarating and transformative. The AI odyssey I've embarked upon has led me to explore uncharted territories, question the limits of technology, and share my insights through YouTube Shorts and TikTok. As I record this episode, I'm in the lobby of a hotel in Bandung. I apologize for background noise you might hear. It's a testament to the adventure and unpredictability of life on the go. Now let's talk AI. Artificial intelligence isn't just about algorithms and data. It's about understanding the potential, the ethical implications, and the impact it has on our lives. The intricacies of AI are as fascinating as they are complex, and I promise to share my thoughts, findings, and experiences with you in the episodes to come. So as we continue this journey through the world of technology, exploration, and innovation, remember that the Rebel Ren series is your companion through the digital landscape. From servicing laptops to diving into the AI realm, we're on a mission to uncover the marvels that shape our world. This is AQS signing off from the Rebel Ren series.